Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to create a public GitHub repository. First, ensure you are logged into your GitHub account. If you don't have one, it's a quick process to sign up. Once logged in, locate the New Repository button, usually found on your dashboard or by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner. Then, you'll need to give your new repository a clear and unique name. This name helps others understand your project at a glance. Next, we'll configure the repository settings. It's crucial to select public visibility to make your project accessible to everyone. You can also choose to initialize your repository with a README file, which is a great place to provide an overview of your project. Additionally, consider adding a license. This specifies the permissions and restrictions for using your code, ensuring clarity for collaborators and users alike. After setting up the initial configurations, click the Create Repository button to finalize the process. Your new public repository is now live on GitHub. To start working on your project locally, you'll need to clone it. Find the repository URL, typically a secure HTTPS link, and then open your terminal or command prompt. Use the git clone command followed by the URL to download a local copy to your machine. Finally, let's get your project files onto GitHub. First, navigate into the newly cloned directory on your local machine. Place all your project files within this folder. Then, use git add to stage all your changes, followed by git commit m initial commit to save them locally. To upload these changes to your public GitHub repository, simply execute git push origin main. Now your project is live and accessible to the world.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.